Okay, hey peeps, I'm going to do a quick video on how to go record your steps for your students. Um, I think they're pulling data tonight or tomorrow morning, and this will just kind of like boost our on target for reading practice for our school overall. Steps is something I really suck at putting in myself, so I totally get it. So sometimes I go in and do bulk, and I'm trying to set reminders now to do better. Yesterday, Erin and I got to attend a K through 2 collaboration for ARC ERLA, and they went over putting in steps daily. Just kind of they would like to see 4 steps daily for each child. So each step is 15 minutes, so 4 steps would equal an hour of reading. And they said that read alouds to your students count. So pre-KK teachers, I know y'all been doing a lot of read alouds to participate in the competitions with Miss Turney. So if you kind of just calculate in your head real quick, like read alouds you've done over the past couple of weeks, and each read aloud, whether it took you 15 minutes or not, Miss Cheryl Anderson said each read aloud can count for a step. So kind of calculate how many read alouds you've had, if your kids have been doing independent reading time, and how, just kind of guesstimate your steps for that and just kind of up our school. So I'm just going to show you real quick, in case you're not familiar with it, how you can do quick add. So you go into your school pace, click on your name and grade, and come over here to the side, and you can do report student progress. And right here, enter steps for multiple students. So you click there, it'll click up their names. If you have someone who's been like habitually absent and stuff, so what they're looking at is if these students have had growth, but their steps aren't growing, then it doesn't match up. Or if they have like this huge amount of steps, but no growth, where is the gap? So just kind of go in if you have someone who's habitually absent and mark them off. For example, I had Devon Simmons who is absent more days than he is at school. So I unchecked him when I added steps in, and then you go right here and you add, and a little red thing is going to pop up and say that this amount of steps um, equals more than an hour. Are you sure you want to do this? And just click yes, and then you'll update all check students, and then you can go back in. And if you just want to do it this way, and you can unclick everybody else and click that child, or you can go to that child and enter their steps for them. They will do like catch-up calculators you can look at on kids who are under steps, under where they need to be, and kind of see what a catch-up calculator would be like, what kind of number you're looking at. So you can always click that and like please select a target date to be caught up. So you can put in like a target date. Her current steps 350, step target 362. She would need 12 more steps to catch up. So just kind of that, and I did just go in and add in steps for my students, so that's why she has such a small gap. Because like I said earlier, I am not the best at putting steps in, but I'm going to try to do better. This is also where you can go in and put in like your reader engagement and writer engagement. Um, and so yeah, so it's kind of vulnerable, I can be honest with you and show you. Um, these kids, he's a great reader and he'll read. He hates to write. So yeah, so anyways, I hope that helps. I hope that you can add in some steps and help our target practice for reading grow, target reading practice grow, and that way tonight or tomorrow morning, whenever the district pulls all the school's data, hopefully, because I know these green bars are beautiful and growing, and so some people are doing some really great things, so just make sure your steps equal up to what you were doing in the classroom. Happy Sunday, friends.